I got so much out of centering. When we got pregnant again, it wasn't even a question. We're Tyler and Ashley Wing, and this is Owen, and that's Eli. My mom had a midwife with my sister and brother, and always talked really highly of that, so it seemed like a natural choice.
Women choose a midwife because they want to have that holistic, natural approach. The support of centering and the education helps developing families feel comfortable and confident and supported.
I was definitely really nervous. He worked a lot of late nights when we first started to do it, and he couldn't come to the first class, so I brought my mom. Because I was really intimidated about doing a big group of people, and the second time we were comfortable. Like, our group opened up with each other really easily. It was great, you know, when they're going through and talking about pregnancy symptoms and, you know, all of the yucky ones, and, you know, we're like, oh my gosh, me too, you know, and it was just really reassuring to have that. You know, you really get to know the midwives and trust their process, and to know that even in a scarier situation, you know, the OB is going to come in and do what they need to do, but they won't take over. You know, you're still with your midwife.
I just feel like I'm on one big team here with our docs and our midwives and our nurses, our lactation consultants, all the wonderful hospital support that we have.
You know, they're just so about what you want, and you know, they'll certainly push along what needs to happen. You know, I really needed that epidural. I really didn't want that epidural. You know, and Susie really kind of talked to me about it in a way that made it seem less scary.
When partners are a part of the centering group, they feel very empowered to be involved in the pregnancy and as well at the birth. You know, even put on a pair of gloves to help guide that baby out with the midwife. So we really allow the partner to be as involved in the care as they feel comfortable.
Tyler caught Owen.
Yes, Anne Marie actually allowed me to be the one that caught him, which was super awesome. Like, yeah. Pretty special little guy.
Having a baby in the summertime, I think, is a blessing and a curse, because it's there's so much going on that you don't really get a lot of rest, but there's so much going on that you have a lot of help. I think that when we first came home, you know, as a new mom, you're so honed in, like, on the baby, and it was really great because he's fantastic. So basically I took care of the baby and he took care of me.
It's the funnest experience. Challenging at times with two, finding the balance between spending time with the newborn and giving the 2-year-old the attention that he deserves and needs. But it's been so enjoyable. I wouldn't change it for the world.
And we've kind of got our hands full with two, and I don't know about having a third.